Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into your AT&T Fiber account. Easy guide step by step clearly. Open a web browser on your phone, tablet, or computer. Check that your internet connection is working before you continue. In the address bar, type att.com and press enter. On the AT&T homepage, find the sign in option at the top of the page. Click sign in to open the login page. If you see multiple sign-in choices, select the option for My AT&T. In the user ID field, type your AT&T user ID or the email linked to your account. In the password field, type your password carefully. Make sure caps lock is off so your password is entered correctly. If you are on a personal device, you can check Remember Me to stay signed in. If you are on a public or shared device, leave Remember Me unchecked for security. Click the Sign In button to submit your login details. If prompted, complete any security check like a code sent by text or email. Enter the verification code exactly as you received it. Click Continue or Verify to finish the security step. After you sign in, look for your account overview page. If you manage more than one AT&T service, choose the profile that matches your fiber service. To view your plan details, open the Internet or Plans section. To check your bill, go to Billing and select View Bill or Payment History. To make a payment, choose Pay Bill and follow the on-screen instructions. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password on the sign-in page. Follow the prompts to reset your password using your email, phone number, or security questions. Create a strong new password and save it in a secure place. If you forgot your user ID, click Forgot User ID and complete the recovery steps. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try a different browser. If you still cannot sign in, clear your browser cache and cookies and try again. For extra help, use the Contact Us or Support link on AT&T to reach customer support. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.